Now you know it is very important to set it right at the start as an introduction and thesis statement. The question is asking if advantages outweigh disadvantages, or one is more than the other. Instead of even list of both has positive and negative outcomes, you'd better present your attitude of liking or dislikes. After all, essay is really personal and opinionated, aiming at convincing people to accept your opinion with your solid and factual support, which is objective, unlike idea statements. I hope by now you know what's the relationship between ideas and examples, opinions and facts.